Hi guys, good day, good afternoon. How are you all doing today? Welcome to this video review. I'm here to talk to you about the health of your ears because there's this fantastic supplement today in the market known as ZenCortex. It stands out amongst all others because it truly delivers amazing results in helping people to fix their hearing and helping people to finally be able to have better cognition, as well as, not have to deal with tinnitus anymore. So if you want to learn more about ZenCortex, that's awesome. I just want you to stay tuned in this video to learn more about it. In order of purchasing ZenCortex, I will be leaving their official webpage link in the description box just below this video. So if you do want to purchase it, that is like the safest place in all of the internet that you should be going to, because you can make a really safe and secure purchase over there and receive, of course, the original ZenCortex. Now, what is ZenCortex? Lots of people are asking all over the internet, what is it? What makes it so special? And guys, what makes it special is actually that ZenCortex is here to help you with your health. So it's not going to damage it, because its composition is actually only natural herbal extracts, natural ingredients, natural vitamins and plants and minerals and nutrients. So yes, this is something that absolutely gives you no side effects, because it just contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatories that help you deal with inflammations, that help you deal with earaches and help you to regain your hearing. Now, it is kind of an embarrassing situation when sometimes you're talking to someone and you can't understand what they are saying, and then you have to keep asking them to repeat themselves, right? But that is where ZenCortex is so cool, because it actually helps you to, start to regain your hearing little by little, and it helps you to prevent future hearing losses. So that is like its top benefit, is to do with your hearing. But our cognition also, if we have some sort of ear infection, our cognition obviously also gets contained because of it. So this is going to help you to enhance your memory, bring more mental clarity, more mental alertness. So it's going to be really phenomenal for your brain as well. But of course, ZenCortex is a dietary supplement, so it needs to be taken seriously. I mean, this is a supplement where you can't just start taking it today and forget about it tomorrow. It needs to be taken every single day without any type of interruptions. And for you to be getting the best results with it, is that you have to fill that little glass dropper up and place it under your tongue. Hold it for a few seconds and then swallow. Or if you don't like its strong herbal taste, you can simply mix it into a glass of tea, water, juice, or coffee, all right? But every day. The recommended treatment is up to 6 months, but you can be doing a shorter treatment of 3 months as well. But guys, you don't have to worry about purchasing ZenCortex, because if you purchase ZenCortex but you don't like it for whatever personal reasons, you do have a money back guarantee, like a total of 60 days, which is 2 months. So if you don't like it and you need a refund, talk to customer service on the official webpage and they're going to help you out. So look at it on the bright side. You are not throwing your money away. Okay. Well, for now, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Okay. Bye.